Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So let's start. The next plant is the Asafoetida, also known as devil's dung. So this is the plant. You can see here directly umbel inflorescence. So this is a member of Umbelliferae. So let's start. It is again a oleogum resin obtained by incision from the rhizome and the root of Ferula foetida belonging to the family Umbelliferae. Geographically, it is widely found in the Central Asia, particularly in the Iran and Afghanistan. Just see, in Urdu, this plant is known as the hing. Let's see the description. That is color yellowish white, changing to reddish brown. Odor, yes, it has an intense, persistent, penetrating and eliaceous like odor. Just see the meaning of eliaceous, belonging to the allium vegetable, allium family, like onion, leeks, garlic. So this plant, that is hing, also contain sulfur compounds like di and trisulfides. Let's talk about its chemical constituent. It chiefly contain major constituent as ferulic acid, umbellic acid and umbelliferone. It contain 40 to 65% resin, 20 to 25% gum and 4 to 20% volatile oil. Here it is, oleogum resin. The resin of drug chiefly contain S-recytanol in the free form or combined with ferulic acid. Remember this thing, free embelliferone is absent in this drug. The oil part, the oil of asafoetida is obtained by steam distillation of the oleogum resin. And the chief constituent of oil include secondary butyl propenyl disulfide along with trisulfides, pinene and other terpenes. And due to this, it has a specific odor, means due to the presence of sulfur compound, it has a characteristic pungent odor, or you can say alicious odor. Just see here, structure of ferulic acid, COOH is there. This is the structure of umbellic acid. This is umbelliferone. Let's talk about its chemical constituents. We have completed. Next are the identification test. So when triturated with water, it forms the yellowish orange emulsion. Yes, we will do this practical in the laboratory also. When treated with 50% HNO3, that is nitric acid, the drug gives green color. We will also do this test. There is very important allied drug of this plant that is known by the name of galbanum. Look at this. This plant is again a member of Umbelliferae, but again see different species, that is Ferula gumosa, or you can say Ferula galbanifua. Just see here, Ferula gumosa and Ferula galbaniflua. So this drug contain free umbelliferone, whereas asafoetida do not contain free umbelliferone part. So about the uses, this plant is used as a carminative, as a nervine stimulant, or also in intestinal flatulence. Yes, as a condiment, as a flavoring agent in curries, in pickles, in sauces, widely used. Just see here, this is the major use, recent use of this plant. This research was published in 2018 in this journal, that is the Evidence Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine Journal. It says this plant is widely, it is randomized, or we can say it passes the clinical trial also in treatment of the functional dyspepsia. See here, another important use, the ferulic acid which is present in this plant. See the title of this article, a hope for Alzheimer disease. So this plant, this chemical constant obtained from the plant is explored as a hope, as a novel candidate for treatment of the Alzheimer disease. So that's why this plant is very, very important. So I request you all to start consuming this plant as a natural, as a normal routine in your diet. because of its immense therapeutic potential. So thank you for listening. We will do next plant in the next video tutorial. Yes, in the end, I acknowledge all the online platforms that I have used to prepare this video, especially YouTube, SlideShare, Google Images, etc., and other online platforms for preparation of this video. This video is not intended for any of the commercialization purpose. It is only intended for you, for your students, for the education purpose only. Thank you.